If your ankles suddenly look thicker or leave a dent when pressed, this is not normal, and it is not just aging. It can be a silent warning sign building up inside the body, and what's frightening is how often this is ignored. Swollen legs are called edema, and when it is searched, kidney, liver, or heart problems are usually blamed, along with too much sodium. But that is not always the true cause. Something far more common can be happening inside the cells, and it is very easy to miss. Fluid retention in the lower legs and ankles happens when the tiny pumps in the cells stop working, especially the sodium-potassium pump. This pump can use up to 40% of the cell's energy. When it fails, fluid escapes the cell and builds up in the tissues. This is known as interstitial fluid retention. Over time, this damages the nerves, leading to burning, tingling, and numbness in the feet, also known as peripheral neuropathy. Even people who are not diabetic can experience this. This is where it becomes reversible. The body needs 3 key nutrients: potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B1. Potassium is difficult to get in large amounts because about 4,700 milligrams is needed daily, and one banana only contains around 300 milligrams, so better sources include avocados, salads, and berries. Magnesium drives energy, and about 420 milligrams is needed, and it's found in pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and leafy greens. Vitamin B1 is found in foods like sunflower seeds, lentils, green peas, and brown rice. Support the channel by liking and subscribing so more people can see this before it's too late.